Imagine this. Right now, over 3 million men are living with prostate cancer in the United States alone, yet many had no idea anything was wrong until it was advanced. The truth is, prostate cancer often whispers before it ever shouts, and missing those whispers can change everything. So, let me ask you, when was the last time you really paid attention to the subtle changes in your body? Comment below, because I want to know what health signs you never ignore and which ones you sometimes brush off. Your answer might help someone else realize they're not alone. Part 1 begins with something we don't talk about enough. Urination changes. If you suddenly find yourself waking up several times at night to pee, or if your stream feels weak or interrupted, don't dismiss it as just getting older. These can be early signs your prostate is under stress. I've spoken to men who thought it was just too much water before bed, but later discovered it was their first warning sign. Another subtle symptom is difficulty starting urination, or feeling like your bladder isn't fully emptying. You might even feel like you need to go again right after you just went. These signs can sneak up slowly, making them easy to normalize. But I always remind my patients, your body is trying to communicate and it deserves to be heard. Here's something many overlook: blood in the urine or semen. Sometimes it's just a trace, so faint that you might ignore it or think it's a one-time fluke. But no matter how small, blood is never something to ignore. It doesn't always mean cancer, but it always means your body needs a closer look. Part 2 moves us into discomfort that many men brush aside. Pain in the lower back, hips, or thighs, especially if it feels dull or persistent, can be an early sign of prostate cancer spreading pressure in nearby areas. I've had men tell me they thought it was just too much yard work or sleeping wrong, but pain without clear cause deserves respect. Sexual health changes are another big red flag. If you notice erectile difficulties that come on gradually or changes in ejaculation, it's not just about performance. It could be an early warning from your prostate. And here's the thing. Men often feel embarrassed to bring this up. But I tell every man, your health is far more important than your pride. You may also feel unexplained fatigue or weight loss. Now, I know, we all feel tired sometimes. But if your energy is slipping even after rest, or the pounds are coming off without changes to diet or exercise, it's time to check in with a doctor. Early-stage prostate cancer can drain the body quietly, and you deserve answers. Here's a quick pause. Did any of these signs sound familiar to you? If even one rang a bell, don't panic. Knowledge is power. The earlier you recognize changes, the better your chance at effective treatment. Sometimes it's nothing serious, but sometimes it's everything. Part 3 is where we shift into action and encouragement. First, know this. Prostate cancer is one of the most treatable cancers when caught early. Survival rates skyrocket when men speak up about their symptoms instead of waiting. That's why regular screenings like PSA blood tests and digital rectal exams are so important. I've seen firsthand how men who caught it early are living long, healthy, active lives today. They're spending time with their kids, their grandkids, traveling, working, laughing, all because they took the first uncomfortable step of saying, "Doctor, something feels off." That step is the bravest, most powerful choice you can make for yourself and the people you love. If you're over 50 or over 40 with a family history of prostate cancer, don't wait. Talk to your doctor about regular screenings, and if any of the 5 signs we just talked about show up in your life, don't ignore them, don't wait for them to go away. Call your healthcare provider and ask for an evaluation. Your health is your foundation. Without it, everything else becomes harder. So take control, listen to your body, and act early. You are stronger than you think, and the choice to care for yourself today could give you decades of life, love, and memories tomorrow. Now, let me leave you with this. Which of these signs surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments, because your story might inspire another man to check his own health. And if this video helped you, share it with a friend, a brother, or a father. It might just save a life. I'm here to remind you, you are not alone in this. Prostate cancer can be silent, but with awareness and action, you hold the power to catch it early. Stay encouraged, stay informed, and take that step for yourself and those who care about you.